Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and open required ports for Rockstar Launcher. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open Windows Defender Firewall, just like that. If you don't know how to go ahead and open it, just click on the search bar and write Windows Defender Firewall right over here. And now all you need to do is simply go ahead and head into the advanced settings right over here. And once you're in advanced settings, go to inbound rule, and what you want to do is simply go ahead and create a new rule. Make sure that this new rule is going to be a port. Click on next, make it TCP, and so for TCP you want to use 6672 right over here, and click on next and allow the connection. Click on next, and then you can finish it with a certain name. So let me just say Rockstar Games. And once you've done that, just go ahead and do the same thing 3 more times, but this time for the UDP. One's going to be 61455, 61457, 61456. That is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.